Tonight, a grieving grandmother says the criminal justice system failed. She's furious at the 10-year prison sentence given to the man who murdered her son and her 7-year-old granddaughter. Thanks for joining us. I'm Mike Bush, and Allred has the night off. Javonn Nettles pleaded guilty this week to second-degree murder in the deaths of Demaya Fleming and her father, Darian Rankin Fleming. 5 on your side's Diamond Palmer has more from the family and the St. Louis Circuit Attorney.
One day after Javonn Nettles pled guilty to the January 2021 Central West End double homicide, St. Louis Circuit Attorney Gabe Gore addressed the victim's family.
I, recognize their grief. I recognize this is an unimaginable situation for a family to find itself in.
Suketha Rankin disagrees. She's continuing to grieve the loss of her son, Darian Rankin Fleming, and her granddaughter, Demaya Fleming. The two were killed in a parked car on Laclede Avenue.
Suketha Rankin says the pain of losing her son and her granddaughter is unbearable, and justice to her looks like more than 10 years.
You just letting murderers go. That's why people kill every single day, all day. But let somebody get caught with some drugs, they getting 10 and 20 years, but you could kill a 7-year-old and just go. It was a joke. It was a joke. The justice system is a joke.
Former St. Louis Circuit Attorney Kim Gardner's administration had to refile first-degree murder charges twice, saying it wasn't ready to proceed. This week, Gore offered Nettles a plea deal for second-degree murder with a 10-year sentence. Missouri's law requires defendants to serve at least 85% of their sentence. That means with credit for time served, Nettles could be eligible for parole in 6.5 years.
We don't believe that the outcome of a 10-year sentence is perfect. It's certainly not perfect justice. It was, in this case, the best outcome we felt we could obtain.
I pushed Gore to tell me if there was enough evidence for the case.
In this particular case, looking at the evidence and the risk at trial, our conclusion was that this result represented the best outcome we could obtain.
But Rankin says it's not over.
I will fight for them. That's my job. Like I told her, your job is to fight for them. They're not here. That's your job. That's your job.
Diamond Palmer, 5 on your side.
Now, there is a second suspect in the case. The victim's family says they will continue to seek justice by pushing for him to get a stronger sentence.